My dear precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, this message is not reaching you by accident. This is not coincidence. This is not random. This is not just another word you are hearing. This is a divine appointment. Chosen one, I have come to tell you that heaven's safe has been unlocked, and wealth beyond imagination is being poured into your hands. What I am about to do in your life is so great, so powerful, so overflowing, that no force of darkness, no opposition, and no limitation will be able to stop it. Chosen one, you have cried enough tears. You have carried enough burdens. You have walked through enough battles. And I, your God, am saying to you today that your season of lack, your season of delay, your season of barely surviving has come to an end. Now begins your season of overflow, your season of abundance, your season of heaven's wealth being released in your favor. Chosen one, hear me clearly. The wealth I am pouring out upon you is not just physical money, though that too is coming in ways that will shock and surprise you. I am pouring out spiritual wealth, emotional wealth, mental wealth, opportunities, wisdom, divine strategies, and heavenly ideas that will place you in positions you never imagined. Chosen one, you have been faithful in small things, and now I am trusting you with greater things. I've been watching your heart, and I know your intentions. You did not give up when everything in you wanted to walk away. You did not stop believing when the enemy tried to convince you it was over. You stood, even if weak, even if trembling, even if doubting at times. But you stood, and because you stood, chosen one, I am releasing to you a blessing that will cause even your enemies to be at peace with you. Chosen one, I want you to imagine heaven's safe filled with treasures beyond measure. Imagine it being unlocked, and imagine all that wealth, all that abundance, all that glory pouring down into your life like a mighty waterfall. That is what is happening now in the Spirit. You may not see it with your eyes yet, but the release has already begun. The flow has already started. The angels are already delivering. The doors are already opening. Chosen one, your life is about to transform in ways you never thought possible. You have been through seasons where you felt like everything was against you. Times when you asked, God, why me? Why this pain? Why this struggle? Why this waiting? But chosen one, every tear watered the soil of your destiny. Every trial shaped the foundation for your blessing. Every delay was not denial, but divine preparation. You could not see it then, but now it will make sense. The storm was not sent to destroy you, but to cleanse you, to strengthen you, to prepare you for what I am giving you now. And chosen one, what I'm giving you now is beyond anything you lost, beyond anything you dreamed, beyond anything you prayed. I know, chosen one, that the number I am speaking, $40,404,000,000,000, seems impossible to the human mind. But remember, I am not a man that I should lie. I am the God of the impossible. I am the one who owns the cattle on 1,000 hills. I am the one who spoke galaxies into existence. I am the one who created wealth, and I can transfer it in an instant. What is impossible for men is always possible for me. And chosen one, what I am about to place into your hands will be a testimony that I alone did this. You will not be able to explain it by logic, by effort, by chance, or by luck. It will be clear to all that this is the hand of God. Chosen one, your name is written on heavenly treasures. Your DNA is coded with divine inheritance. What is coming to you cannot be stolen, cannot be blocked, cannot be delayed any longer. I have already decreed it. I have already signed it. I have already sent it, and now it will manifest. Chosen one, you are stepping into a new realm of favor, where doors will open before you even knock, where people will bless you without you asking, where opportunities will find you, and where wealth will chase you down. The world has told you to struggle, to fight for every piece, to compete, to beg, to bow down to systems of man. But I am lifting you out of man's system and placing you in my divine system. In my system, blessings flow without striving. In my system, favor overrides labor. In my system, wealth is poured because of covenant, not because of status. Chosen one, you are in covenant with me, and my covenant cannot be broken. I promise to bless you. I promise to prosper you. I promise to make you the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. And my promises never return void. Chosen one, I need you to prepare your heart for abundance. I need you to shift your mindset. Do not think small when I am releasing big. Do not expect little when I am pouring out much. Do not limit me with doubt. Open your faith wide, because I am about to fill your life to overflowing. I am not giving you just enough. I am giving you more than enough. I am not blessing you to survive. I am blessing you to thrive. I am not pouring into your cup alone. I am causing your cup to run over, to spill into others, to overflow into your family, your community, and generations to come. Chosen one, people will soon ask you, how did you go from nothing to this? How did you go from overlooked to celebrated? How did you go from empty to overflowing? And your answer will be, heaven's safe was unlocked for me. This is your testimony. This is your story. This is your miracle season. The enemy is terrified right now because he knows what is being released to you. He tried to distract you, to make you give up before got here. He tried to steal your faith, to fill you with fear, to convince you it was too late. But chosen one, you endured, you resisted, you held on, and now the tables have turned. The same enemy who mocked you will now watch you rise. The same people who doubted you will now witness your overflow. The same atmosphere that once felt heavy will now be filled with joy, laughter, and abundance. Chosen one, do not worry about how it will happen. Do not worry about where it will come from. Do not worry about timing. I, your God, have already orchestrated it. The resources are already in place. The people you need are already aligned. The opportunities are already waiting. And soon, they will collide with your life in a divine moment that will change everything. Chosen one, this message is a divine announcement. Heaven's safe is open. The flood has begun. The transfer is happening, and you are the recipient. I chose you not by accident, not by mistake, but by purpose. I saw your Hia. I saw your endurance. I saw your faith, and I said, this one is ready. And now, chosen one, you will see what I meant when I promised to open the windows of heaven and pour out blessings that you will not have room to contain. This is not just about wealth in numbers, though you will see financial breakthroughs like never before. This is about wealth in all areas. Wealth of health, where sickness flees from your body and strength fills you. Wealth of peace, where anxiety and fear can no longer torment you. Wealth of relationships, where broken bonds are healed and divine connections are made. Wealth of purpose, your path becomes clear and your destiny unfolds before you. Wealth of joy, where laughter returns to your soul and heaviness is lifted. Chosen one, you are not entering just a season of blessing. You are entering a lifestyle of blessing, a flow that does not run dry, a river that never ceases. Because when I, your God, unlock heaven's safe, no man can lock it.
Again, when I pour, no one can stop the flow. When I declare overflow, it must manifest. And I am declaring it over you now. Chosen one, stand firm, because the release is already in motion. Lift your faith, because your hands are about to receive. Open your heart, because I am filling it with joy. Step into this boldly, because this is your inheritance. This is your divine right as my chosen one. This is the moment you have been waiting for, praying for, believing for. It is here. Heaven's safe is unlocked, and wealth without measure is pouring into your life. Chosen one, your time has come. Your season has arrived. Heaven is open over you. The flow cannot be stopped. Get ready, because abundance is about to chase you down and overtake you. This is your word. This is your moment. This is your miracle.
My dear precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, lean in, because heaven is pouring into your life and the flow cannot be stopped. I want you to understand this. What is coming is so big, so supernatural, so overflowing, that your natural mind will not be able to contain it. Chosen one, the safe of heaven has been unlocked, and what was once locked away from you, what was once delayed, what was once kept out of reach, is now being delivered straight into your hands. Chosen one, the heavens are roaring with your breakthrough. Angels are moving with your blessing. The earth is shifting to align with your destiny. The wind of change is blowing, and it carries abundance, it carries favor, it carries opportunities that will lift you higher than you've ever been. Chosen one, I am not just blessing you in secret. I am blessing you in a way that will be visible to all. People will look at you and say, surely the hand of God is upon this one. Chosen one, you are stepping into divine overflow. You are stepping into a supernatural transfer. You are stepping into unstoppable favor. What once seemed impossible will now feel effortless because my hand is guiding you. The closed doors are swinging wide open. The chains are breaking. The delays are ending. The struggle is over. Chosen one, this is not the time to shrink back. This is not the time to doubt. This is the time to rise in faith, because what I am pouring into you is greater than anything you ever imagined. I am bringing you into a place where wealth will chase you, where blessings will hunt you down, where miracles will flow one after another. Chosen one, hear me. The vaults of heaven have your name on them. The treasures of heaven are marked for you. And now, in this very hour, they are being released. No power of darkness can block it. No man can stop it. No situation can delay it. It is sealed, it is signed, it is sent, and it is yours. Chosen one, heaven's safe is unlocked, and wealth, favor, and miracles are pouring into your hands right now. My dear precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, this is the final word I place into your spirit today. Listen closely, because it carries the seal of heaven. The safe of heaven has been unlocked, and what was hidden, what was stored, what was reserved, is now pouring into your life. Chosen one, you are standing on the edge of overflow. You are standing in the doorway of abundance. You are standing in the moment that will shift everything about your life forever. Chosen one, this is not just another word for you to hear and move on. This is the moment to believe, to act, to claim, and to walk boldly in the blessing I am releasing. Do not allow fear to whisper lies. Do not allow doubt to shrink your faith. Do not allow the enemy to convince you that this word is not yours. Chosen one, it is yours. It has your name on it. It has your fingerprint on it. It belongs to you because I, your God, gave it to you. The floodgates are open. The angels are delivering. The blessings are rushing. The opportunities are forming. The wealth is flowing, and the favor is rising upon you. Chosen one, I have declared it, and no force in existence can reverse it. You are chosen. You are marked. You are appointed, and you are blessed beyond measure. Chosen one, step boldly into this word. Lift your faith like never before. Stretch your hands and claim the release of heavens. Safe over your life. Speak it, believe it, receive it, and walk in it. This is not the time to stay silent. This is the time to declare, heaven's safe is unlocked and wealth is pouring into my hands. Chosen one, your time is now. Heaven's safe is unlocked. $40,404 trillion worth of blessings are pouring into your life. Receive it, claim it, walk in it, and let the world see what God has done. Chosen one, if this message touched your spirit, declare, I receive in the comments. Share this word so another chosen one can walk in their blessing. And make sure you stay connected. More divine messages are coming straight from heaven for you. Would you like me to now expand the entire script into a continuous 10,000-word flow with this as the final part, so it's fully ready for your channel, chosen one?